how to switch Instagram accounts. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can switch Instagram account, and here is how to go about it. First of all, log in into your Instagram account just like I have done here, and then go to your bottom right corner and click on your profile icon. Once you're on your profile icon, next step is to move to the top part of the screen where you can see your username displayed, and then just click on it. Alright, so once you click on it, all of your Instagram accounts that you've linked to your current account or that you've added to Instagram would be displayed automatically. So you can just easily switch between all of them. Alright, so as you can see, I have 3 Instagram accounts here. So I can just switch if I want to. So if you want to switch, just select the one that you would like to log in into, and automatically you will be switched to the current so the one that you've selected. Okay, so as you can see, this is it. So you can also go back to your profile picture. All right, if you would like to switch again, and then just double tap. Okay, yeah, this is another method. You can just double tap this way on your profile picture, and you will be able to switch to your Instagram account just like I did now. All right, as you can see, I double tapped and you can see switching back and forth. So you can just try this instead of going all the way to the top part of the screen and selecting your account. So this is how you can switch between accounts on Instagram. I hope this tutorial has helped you. So if it has, ensure you leave a thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel. Thank you and have a good day.